An individual's credit score tells us about their past credit behavior, revealing several important aspects about the borrower. The score captures payment regularities, helping the lender detect both disciplined borrowers as well as serial offenders. Based on the credit score, lenders like banks and NBFCs decide the terms and conditions of the credit facility for potential borrowers. Though people often hear about credit score, they hardly know its meaning until they approach a lender to apply for a credit facility. More often than not, their primary source of information about the credit score is their friends and relatives, who may themselves be ill-informed. It results in creating myths surrounding credit score. People consider these myths to be realities and form their opinions about them based on half-baked information. Here are 8 such myths about credit scores debunked. A poor credit score does not necessarily translate to you not getting a loan. However, it does not put you at risk of rejection, which has a direct impact on the rate of interest you get in the market. Although credit cards are a common way, they are not only the way of building credit score. For instance, taking a small personal loan or getting someone to authorize you as a user of their credit cards can also be used to boost your credit score without actually owning a credit card. Individual scores will continue to be maintained. There is no merging that happens. At the maximum, loans taken with your spouse jointly will reflect in both credit reports. Access is restricted and can only be accessed by you or by an entity to which you have given consent. Negative information on your credit score doesn't last a lifetime. If good credit habits are maintained, the score generally goes up. No, they have no impact on your credit score. For score, financial products that involve borrowing money have an impact. This is a common misconception, but in reality, the impact of your score depends on 2 inquiries. Soft inquiries, where you check your own credit score, or when credit assessments are done for pre-approved offers from existing finances, do not impact credit scores. The situation cannot be termed good or bad. It may have a few implications like access to financial products, a high interest rate, and lower terms.